Hostinger review. Everything you need to know about before you decide to join. Hey guys, my name is Damon Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Hostinger. Now, all of you guys that are looking for a web hosting service, this video is for you. Obviously, the right web hosting service is key to a successful website. So I want to help you make the right decision. Now, I did some digging to determine whether Hostinger is as good as people say it is. I've researched, reviewed, and analyzed a variety of web hosting services, and from there, narrowed my list even further. So what did I actually find? Now, I found that Hostinger is so great that I have rewarded them the top spot on my list of favorite web hosting services. And let me tell you why this is. So Hostinger is number one on my list, yes. Now, because it provides the best service for most people, meaning it works for a variety of people looking to build a website. Now, to top that off, it is also the most affordable option. Hostinger plans start at just $1.39 per month. Yes, you heard me right, just $1.39 per month. That is almost unheard of, and something you may want to take advantage of, obviously. Now, while Hostinger is my favorite web hosting service, a service that I personally use and recommend, is just one of many different hosting options, right? Now, in this video, I want to break down Hostinger. I'm going to go through all the hosting plans. I'm going to take you to the cPanel back office and show you everything step by step. Now, obviously, the biggest reason why most people choose Hostinger is because it simply loads very, very quickly. It's no secret that the loading time for your website is very important. And obviously, the faster your website loads, the better, because visitors don't have to wait for your site to load. Now guys, one more thing. Hostinger is providing a Black Friday discount, 80% off web hosting plus free domain. So if you're watching this video November the 15th or November the 16th, you have a great chance to join right now because the discounts are absolutely huge. So let's hop into the review right now. So these are the Hostinger pricing options for web hosting, and as you can see, single shared hosting ideal solution for beginners is just $139 per month. This means you get a website, 30 gigabytes of SSD storage, and up to 10,000 monthly visitors. You get one email account and a free SSL. Now, with the single shared hosting, you do not get a free domain, but if you want a free domain with your hosting plan, I would recommend you to go with the premium shared hosting. This is the perfect package for personal websites. So you're gonna get 100 websites, 100 gigs of SSD storage, 25,000 monthly visitors, free email, free SSL, free domain, Google Ads credit, unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress, and so many cool, awesome features. So for anyone looking to join Hostinger, I would highly recommend you to go with the premium shared hosting. You don't have to hassle with a domain, go to a different service provider to buy a domain. You can just do that when you purchase the premium shared hosting plan. So here on the checkout page, you can choose a period. So for example, 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. I obviously recommend the 12 months since it's the cheapest, and since it's Black Friday. What I want you to do if you decide to join is click on have a coupon code, and I want you to use my coupon code. It's Damien. I'm gonna pop it up screen. I'm gonna pop it up on screen right now, and you're gonna get up to 95% discount. So with the Black Friday deal and my coupon code, you're gonna get the cheapest hosting plan available right now. So if you're on the fence of joining Hostinger, and you want to build a successful WordPress website, or you just want hosting, that's perfectly okay. This is the best time to join. You're gonna get it for super cheap. So once you're ready, click on submit payment. I'm gonna log into my back office and I'm gonna show you everything what you're gonna get. So this is how it looks in the back office. This is what you're gonna see on the home page. So here is your hosting plan. Obviously this is my domain. This is my domain I got with the premium shared hosting plan, and here is your zero website builder. So this is the website builder you're gonna receive if you decide to join Hostinger. So you can do basic landing pages, basic blogs, and all of these different types of websites, and you're also going to get a bunch of templates. So let's just click on manage and let's look at all these awesome tools and features. So once you're in your Xero back office, click on create new website, and all you have to do is choose a template, and now you can pick a template. You can start from scratch, okay, with a blank site, or you can choose a template that suits your niche. So health, okay, maybe some kind of home, real estate, power in every bite, so maybe some kind of a protein, handmade ceramics, or whatever you decide to choose. There's 15 pages full of templates. So this is huge, guys. So you get all of this, all of these templates, all of this website builder when you decide to join Hostinger. So this is a very, very cool, awesome feature. Okay, let's go back to our back office. Now, what I also love about Hostinger is the simple interface. So if I go to hosting, you can see that this is my hosting plan. I can add a website to it, renew, upgrade, and here is my website that I currently have. So I can edit the website, manage the website. So this is the hosting. Okay, let's go to emails. So if you want a professional email address, you can also do that. So for example, if you want an email address like my one, info@damienbalak.com, you can set this up in your email section tab up here. So you're going to have a professional email address. So domains, this is the domain that you're going to receive if you decide to purchase the premium shared hosting plan, and you can choose whatever you like. I just went with damienbalaklive.com because this suits me. This is my personal name, and it just looks clean and neat. So you can find a domain, you can buy a new one, you can buy multiple domains, okay? You can transfer a domain. So for example, if you have a domain in Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can transfer it to Hostinger. Now here are your servers, okay? So your servers, Ssl Certificate. Now every single website needs a Ssl Certificate. Now this is what it is essentially. When you click on the lock button up here, this is going to tell you that this connection is secure. And to have this on your website, you need an SSL certificate. So essentially, you can activate this SSL for free if you decide to purchase any of the hosting plans. And all you have to do is click on SSL and follow the on-screen instructions. I believe you can do this in like 2 minutes with 3 simple clicks. You can manage the SSL, okay, uninstall it, but what you want to do is install it on your domain. Okay, so then you have the website builder that I was showing you, okay, the Xero Unleash. Manage it from here, and as I said again, hundreds of websites, hundreds of templates that you can choose from and build a professional blog, landing page, or whatever website you want. So let's dig a bit deeper. So I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to home and then click on manage my hosting. So this is my cPanel, and right here you can see all of the awesome tools and features that I have available. So if I want to connect my WordPress account with Hostinger, I can do that from the back office right here. So all I have to do is click on dashboard, okay, and activate my WordPress website, or I can edit it if I already have one. Okay, so I can click on my domain to see how my website looks. Okay, so for example, this is the template that I used. So let's go back. You can activate and add multiple plugins with your WordPress account and Hostinger. So for example, Elementor, like this. So this is an awesome website builder. Again, drag and drop. Google Analytics, SEO, and there's so much more options. So I'm just gonna scroll through this page so you can see everything what's inside. So order, accounts, emails, here are your domains, subdomains, parent domains. You can add a website from here, redirects, website, you have the auto installer, you can import a website, migrate website, SEO toolkit, digital marketing, then you have the files, file manager, database, and here are some advanced settings that you can also play around with if you need to. Now I also created a video on my channel on how to set up WordPress with Hostinger. So if you're interested in that video, I'm going to leave it in the link below this video, and you can actually go ahead and check it out for yourself and see step by step how to connect a WordPress website, how to create your first WordPress website, connect it with Hostinger in just 10 minutes. Now also one thing that I want to mention, that Hostinger has probably the best customer service out there. So if you have any questions, you're stuck with something or something isn't working, they have a 24-hour live chat, email support. You can get your problems resolved within minutes. So this is just my experience with Hostinger, and this is why I like to recommend them to my subscribers and people who watch my content, because this is a tool that I personally use and also recommend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I made things clear about Hostinger. So if you have decided that Hostinger is the right option, the right hosting option for you, then go ahead, click the first link below this video. It's Black Friday, 18 hours left. Use my coupon code you're gonna get for super cheap, and make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you think about this video, if I should make more of these, and I'll see you in the next one.